Welcome back to another Power Tip Saturday, brought to you by Dr. K, founder and creator of the Power Up program. At the end of every week, you can always count on Dr. K and the Power Up team to empower you with simple yet powerful strategies you can begin using immediately to strengthen your life, your mindset, and your future. This week's focus is about the power of fear. Now, when most people hear the word fear, they immediately think of something negative. But what if I told you that fear sparks courage, and fear is often a signal that you're standing at the edge of growth? Do you realize that the biggest dreams, the greatest opportunities, and some of life's greatest blessings are often waiting on the other side of fear? The question isn't whether you'll experience fear. The real question is, will you allow fear to stop you, or will you allow it to strengthen you? Every successful person has felt fear. They were afraid to start, afraid to fail, afraid of rejection, afraid of what others might think. The difference is, they didn't let fear make the final decision. Before we go any further, let us know if you're enjoying these weekly power tips. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, share it with someone who needs encouragement today, and leave us a comment below. Dr. K and our entire Power Up team would love to hear how you're overcoming fear in your own life. We want you to take action now. As you go through this week, think about one thing you've been avoiding because your fear makes you uncomfortable or uncertain. Maybe it's making a difficult phone call, starting that business, applying for that promotion, having an important conversation, or it could be finally stepping into the purpose you've been called to fulfill. Just challenge yourself to take one small step now, because courage isn't the absence of fear. Courage is choosing to move forward even when fear is standing in front of you. Here are some final thoughts. Although fear may knock on your door, you don't have to answer it or invite it in. Instead, start letting faith, courage, and purpose take the lead. Thank you for joining Dr. K and the entire Power Up team for another Power Tip Saturday. Until next time, keep believing in yourself, keep growing, and keep powering up. Remember that fear cannot stop you. It can only strengthen you. Fear can always empower us to face everything and rise. See you next Saturday for more power tips from Dr. K.